Forex trading looks like numbers moving on a screen. But what if I told you that it's actually physics in action? Every price, every trend, every reversal, they all follow the laws that govern the universe. Today I'm going to break down Forex using physics, momentum, energy, gravity, and even entropy, so that you never see trading in the same way. It's the ranks here of financial physicist, and as a physics graduate, what I do is that I use physics laws and principles to explain to you how money actually works and help you become financially independent. Let's just start simple. Forex is currencies exchanging value, like a giant universe of planets pulling on each other. The big currencies, the US dollar, euro, yen, pounds, they are like the massive planets with the strongest gravity. The smaller currencies, they are like asteroids being pulled around. When the US economy shifts, it's like a huge planet changing its orbit. Every smaller one has to adjust. That's what causes movement in the stock market. Now let's bring Newton, the first law, who talks about inertia. A trend will keep moving until something disrupts it. That's why a small bullish and bearish rush continues unless a big news hits. Now to the second force, which is F is equal to MA. The bigger the economic force, the greater the movement. If the Fed hikes interest rates, it's like applying a huge force that's accelerating the dollar. Now to the third law, which is action and reaction. In Forex, for one currency to rise, another has to fall. If the dollar strengthens, the euro weakens. Equal and opposite reaction every single time. Think of market momentum as physics momentum, mass times velocity. The more traders, which is the mass, and the faster the prices move, which is the velocity, the harder it is to stop the trend. And just like energy, the market stores potential energy before big news hits. You'll see a price tighten like a spring being compressed. Then the news drop and boom, that potential energy explodes into kinetic energy, driving the market in one direction. Ever look at Forex charts and see those up and downs? That's just like waves in physics. Price bounces between support and resistance, like waves hitting barrels. Moving averages, that's like using physics to smooth out noise and see the true wave patterns. And the best traders, they don't just fight the waves, they move alongside with it. They ride them just like surfers. In Forex, your job is not to stop the wave, is to catch it. Here's one of my favorite physics ideas: entropy. Left alone, systems naturally move towards disorder, and Forex is no different. If you don't control your risks, your account falls into chaos. That's why you stop losses, position sizing, and discipline to contain the entropy. Without that, your capital will scatter like particles in an explosion. So what does all this mean for you as a trader? Number one, don't fight the forces, align with them. Number two, every action in the market creates a reaction, so you have to anticipate it. Number three, protect your energy, that's your capital, or entropy will destroy it. And most importantly, ride the momentum waves instead of resisting it. That's how physics teaches us to trade smarter. Forex is more than charts and numbers. It's a living, breathing system of forces, just like the universe. And if you can learn to see these forces, you can learn to master trading. Forex is difficult, as they say, but when you understand these physics principles, you know that Forex is just physics. The charts, the numbers, the strategies, everything will be on your fingertip. Watch this video carefully and you understand the physics behind Forex trading. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the subscribe button, because in my next video I'm going to show you how to use your time wisely, be more productive, and generate more income using these same physics principles. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. I'm going to use these physics principles to explain to you step by step for you to understand.